Now the piece is dry. So what we're going to do is listen to the music again and practice the stroke that I want to put on there on this blank paper. Now the ideal color for blue and purple is a complementary color. So that color is orange. So that's what I've prepared, an orange color. But first we'll start with the music. Now there comes a point where you have to turn into an artist. These colors are perfect. I think actually the marks work really well, but they're not strong enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another color. I'm going to add black. And when I use black, I always mix a little blue in it. So I want more drama. So I'm going to start with this mark. And then I'm going to skinny it out like this. And I have a skinny mark that gets fatter here. Now the orange looks great. I have no issues with the orange. I can leave it show. I think it works. There's nothing wrong with the double line. I'm just going to just make it more dramatic using this dark. I like a little more excitement in my paintings, and this creates some excitement. So I'm going to go back in the orange and make sure that my orange line is a little more solid, so it can touch here. And I want it to touch the black here. And I want it to touch the black here. And that's all I can think of right now. I think I would like to make this line a little fatter, just to create that transition and guide my eye a little better. I might make this line a little stronger, a little more orange. And I think I need to do the same with this line. And I want these two lines to join and then get slimmer right here. Now to me this is more interesting. I might even make this a little wider. This has more movement and it's got flow going this way, it's got flow going this way. So there's two angles. So I have an X composition almost. Abstracts don't need to be complicated. They can be very simple. It can be an interesting background with some marks on it. So this is just an example. Make sure you interpret your Vivaldi your way. You don't have to copy me. You just follow the music the way it is influencing you. I decided that this piece needed one more thing, so I spattered some paint on it. And I chose to only spatter darks. So I just thought I'd let you know because I did this off camera and I kind of like it. So it shows the breakup of the seasons to me. So that's it. I just wanted to show you this at the last minute. Here's another example of an interpretation of Vivaldi's music. I started this piece at the same time as I did the other one. However, I didn't video it. What I do when I paint is I paint two at a time, simply because watercolor needs so much time to dry. So while the blue-purple background was drying, I started this piece while still listening to the music. I thought I would try and interpret it in a different way from what I did with the first one. So this one has a few more elements that are realistic. I have some leaf shapes. I have the flowing of the water because when I think of seasons, I think of flowing water and I kind of, in my head, that's what I hear in the music. So I repeated the elements here. I have the leaf element repeated, and it's like water flowing through a stream in the fall. So, and it's carrying leaves, and it's carrying dirt, and it's carrying debris from the fall. Here you can see how different interpretations can be. So you can see how different interpretations can be. In fact, I didn't plan this at all. It just kind of happened as I was playing the music. Same with the other one. Don't be afraid to do this project more than once. You follow your guide, see what the music brings to you. It's really fun. And it's a great way to relax. You get to listen to your favorite music and you get to draw or paint. How better can it be? So we'll see you in the next section.